Alright guys, welcome to this video. I had to do a Profit Singularity review for you guys today. Actually, I didn't even know about this program until this morning. And when I see a good quality program, I put my money where my mouth is. I just spent some money on this program and I'm going to show you my personal results later from it, and there's a very good reason why. Number one, the power of YouTube ads and affiliate offers. Now, if you looked at what Facebook has done over the past 7 to 8 years, right back in 2000, I would say probably 2015, the regulations were pretty lax. It was pretty easy to make money with Facebook, and as Facebook has aged and they put more restrictions, it's become harder and harder to make money with Facebook using and leveraging affiliate offers like ClickBank. So, well, I've been waiting for quite some time and I've attempted to make money with affiliate offers and YouTube, but I realized that if I was going to be doing something, it had to be replicable for somebody that's completely brand new. So I started creating video ads myself. Now, I've done video for a number of years, and so video content creation has become quite easy for me. So I would create these video ads for these different offers myself. And I actually did all of the voiceovers, but I still didn't get the results that I wanted. But if a newbie was to try to do what I was doing, then they would just fail miserably. So I just checked my email. This morning I got an email from another affiliate on this program known as Profit Singularity. And I'm an expert when it comes to YouTube, organic marketing, YouTube free advertising. Now, when it comes to YouTube paid, that's where I struggle a little bit more. So I decided to jump on the webinar, watch the whole entire thing, and I was actually blown away. Okay, I was genuinely very, very surprised. And the reason why I was so blown away is because there's people from countries like Chile, countries like Afghanistan, we're talking like second, third world countries. And these people were making up to like $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 plus per day. As a matter of fact, there's two individuals, Keegan and Chris, that are making $30,000 per day and $47,000 per day respectively, using just simple AI powered funnels and simple video ads. And these video ads are created with simple software. And I don't know if you've seen those videos where there's like illustrations and then there's a voiceover and it's an actual AI voice, it's not your voice. So what you can do is you can actually type up a script, and that script is then put to an AI voice to make that voice sound natural. And then there's ready-made video templates that are pre-created. And you just take those templates, match them up with the AI audio, and you have a simple video ad. And then you just lead people from a video ad to a simple splash page, that's like a pre-sale page. And from there you lead them to an affiliate offer, like a ClickBank offer. Okay, so that is literally as simple as it gets. And before, you had to go on like Fiverr, you had to spend thousands on video production, you had to spend hundreds on somebody to do a voiceover, and then you would actually have to go out and test these ads, right? You have to test like 3 to 5 ads at a time to actually see success. And so just for one ad, you're paying well over $1,000, let alone 5 actually. You're paying $5,000 just to simply test to see what ads are converting better. Not to mention the power of Google Ads. And to be honest, it's improved. It wasn't as good as it was before, but as people were beginning to go from Facebook because of their tight regulations over to YouTube, YouTube has actually become quite lax. It's quite a bit actually easier to promote like weight loss products, diabetes products, and so on and so forth. So while it was costing a lot to have these video ads created in the production and voiceover and everything, YouTube was actually improving all along. So finally, I believe it was Keegan, one of the students, because he had been succeeding with the product owner's previous products that taught the same process just with Facebook ads, he decided to test YouTube ads. And that's where he went through all that trial and error of trying to figure out how to little wake up in the internet connection. But it looks like we are back and we are good. So what I was saying is Keegan had a lot of success with the old way of promoting affiliate offers using Facebook. And not only Rob and his students were doing this along with Keegan, but also like commission hero Robbie Blanchard does this too as well, where he focuses on Facebook and Facebook ads and affiliate offers. Well, that is becoming more difficult, right? So Keegan was actually one of the first to transition over to YouTube and start running all this testing and hiring and outsourcing and doing everything kind of manually, so to speak. And then he decided to finally team up with Rob once again and come together and say, hey, I got something that's actually working. And this was sort of like the beginning of how this all started. But the problem was it was costing him a lot of money. So he was thinking, how can we improve this process? And so that's when they decided to create their own AI software. They decided to create their own scripts. They decided to create their own video templates that they could use, and then they could pass off to other students. And they had approximately 15 beta testers to test this done for you process out completely, and 100% of them got results. So finally, here are some of my results from ClickBank by using these simple strategies. I promote health and fitness products from ClickBank, and it's really worth it for me. So this piqued my interest. I watched the webinar, gathered all this information, so I thought that I would bring this to you guys right here, right now. And the promotion actually closes soon. So if you do want access to something that is truly revolutionary, that's going to make a lot of people a lot of money, of course, that's no guarantee of income. There's no guarantee of results. I just know how this stuff works, right? I mean, Robbie created so many success stories. Robbie Blanchard with Commission Hero and Facebook ads. There's rarely anybody on YouTube right now succeeding with affiliate offers and YouTube ads because they don't know how to do it the actual right way. And because the cost of hiring, again, voiceover actors, video editors, creating the videos, going to stock video sites, putting it all together, it just was so much time, so much effort, and so much money that now they've simplified that whole entire process and removed the costs and have created a simple, replicable process with scripts, with video templates, with an AI voiceover technology, and they've given it to us. They have already proven it to work, actually. And there's people making, like I said, up to $30,000 a day using the same exact process. So that's why I put my money where my mouth is. That's why I decided to purchase this program. The cart will close in a few days. So if you want access to this along with my bonus, my personal bonus, I'm actually going to show you guys over the shoulder how I'm building my own campaigns along with the testing. So you guys can actually see somebody build this out in action. So that's what you're going to get for basically purchasing through my link every step of my process of me taking the training and implementing it along with my results. So if you love that idea, go ahead, click the link below, join the Profit Singularity, and then you can email me at marcusbone07@gmail.com. All you need to do is just simply go to your email, send an email to marcusbone07@gmail.com, send me your order ID number, and then we'll go ahead and give you that bonus, get you access to that bonus so that you can get instant access. Right now, I believe, of course, there's going to be live calls that they're going to be doing as well in conjunction with that. So I'm super excited for this. You guys are going to be able to come along the ride, the journey with me to build these profitable affiliate campaigns. So if you're somebody that can follow simple directions, you don't have to be on video, you don't have to talk, you just have to spend 10 to 20 minutes setting this all up, and you can start profiting from day one. So if you like the sound of that, go ahead. If you want everything in complete detail explained, click the link below, join one of their calls, and I'm looking so forward to seeing you guys inside of the course. So thank you guys very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you guys succeed, and if you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And if you want to follow me for more tips, advice, ways to make money online, income opportunities, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Okay guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this review and this overview of Profit Singularity. Again, go ahead and check the link in the description to learn more about this, and we'll talk to you guys very soon. Take care.